Hey guys, today I've got a Samsung electric dryer. Just want to show you real quick that it does in fact work and heat like it's supposed to. It's got the steam option, which is kind of cool. I left the hose attached to it, so that would just go on like a cold water splitter from the washer over to your dryer. That way it's an all automatic function for steam, help get the wrinkles out and stuff like that. Otherwise, plenty of cycles here for your drying options. And then over here, tons more options, delicate stuff like that. It's got it all essentially. So nice, clean, looks good inside and out. It's got a nice bright light in there. And I just dropped my temperature gun. So I'm gonna let this run for just a second while I put my temperature gun back together, and then I will show you that it does in fact heat like it's supposed to. So we'll hit go. Give me just a sec. Okay, so I got my temperature gun put back together here, and whatever I shine little red light on, it gives you the surface temperature. You can see 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll go ahead and open this up, shoot it right into that heating element tube. You see there's plenty of heat coming out of there. This tube can actually get pretty hot, just depends on what you have your heat setting at. But the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have these settings here set to. So, but as you can see, there is heat coming out of there. The heating element's kind of located down below here. So it comes up out that tube, and then right here where your lint trap is. So it's kind of circulation of air. So that's how that works, and that works good. And that's pretty much it. Now you know it works good. When you take it home, plug it in, everything's gonna work. So that's how I like to buy, so that's how I like to sell. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.